Hello, everybody. My name is Mabel, and I'm happy to take you through my site finally for today to end the semester. Before I say, before I go through everything with you, I'd just like to say I'm very grateful to all the suggestions that you gave me and also the help that you gave through the feedback to help me improve my site. The first thing I like to do is just to basically take you through the site, let you see the pages I have. So this is the home page. This is how it looks like with the footer. This is how the daily tips page looks like, and it's actually one of my favorites. I really like it. It looks simple and quite easy to read. There's also the contact page where the clients can just send us a message concerning anything. This is how the about page looks like, what the site is all about and what we do in brief terms. And this is the workshop page actually. So it's a page that is going to be updated quarterly with images and then upcoming workshop updates. So this is the site for it. Um, so the main purpose of this site is actually to help ladies, especially corporate ladies who, you know, like to look good, if I should put it that way. Appearance really counts, especially on your first job or when you're going for an interview or, wherever you're going to. So this site is here to help ladies pick up the right accessories, especially with beads, to help bring out the confidence in them. How you dress determines the confidence in you as well. So this site is basically to help ladies do that. Um, the design, this is actually I wanted it to look very simple. I wanted the site to look very simple like this, and um, the only problem I was having was with the colors. A few of you were able to visit my site and realized that the colors were not really blending, and it was a really big challenge. So thanks to the feedback I got from you guys, I was able to update it and give it this nice look, which I believe looks very good. Especially changing the logo color and then changing the whole color of the main you know main site. It really looks simple and then nice as well. One of the things I've really learned in this class is to um, you know work collaboratively with my colleagues and also work with time. I've had a really tough semester because at a point, you don't get access to internet. Where I come from in Ghana, it's sometimes difficult. And I also work full time, so trying to balance the two is quite difficult. And although I have internet at home, I get home and then there's no internet. And the last 3 weeks or 4 weeks for the semester to end, I've not had access to internet. So after work, that is 6 p.m., I stay back at work and then do what I have to do. I'm not able to do everything, but at least I'm able to do something, and it's better than none. Um, I'm grateful to my instructor for being patient with me and then understanding my situation. Uh, and then giving me the time to um, catch up with whatever that I missed. I'm really grateful, and I'm really grateful to all those who helped me, encourage me to keep up the good work and then even improve on the site. It has really been a challenge, but a nice experience as well working with you all. Um, this website is something that I'm very proud of, something I've been able to do on my own, thanks to your feedback, and I'm really proud of it. And I just hope that as time goes on, I'll be able to improve upon it and then do something much more better than this. Although this looks nice, it really looks nice, and I'm again very proud of myself. But then I think and I feel, I believe that there's still more room for improvements. And maybe one day we'll meet again and then, you know, I'll be doing something way better than this and way nicer than this. Thank you all so much, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your break and then upcoming semesters. Thank you. Bye.